haven't recorded. Yeah. So now you're connecting with the EC2. Okay, then giving the authentication credential. Now we open the EC2 again. Ubuntu. Okay, make it bigger, little bit bigger. Okay, now that command you use mysql -u admin -p and -h and endpoint. So this is the command where you are connecting with a MySQL database, which is in the remote using the admin and password commands. When you created RDS, right click it. Control V, Control C.
Okay.
Right click. Control C, copy. Right click it.
Sir, Control Shift V, sir.
And one. Control Shift V.
Control Shift V. On, sir.
Shift V and one, sir. Control plus Shift V and one.
Control Shift V, sir. అవటం లేదు.
Okay, right click చేయండి.
Okay.
Okay. So this command is mysql -u. Okay, U means username. Admin we are giving as username. -p means password will give, and -h means host, remote host address. So this is the endpoint which is for the RDS. That is we are giving as host. Okay. Enter.
No, enter.
Click on enter. So now the enter the password you have given. After giving the password, click on enter. Password will not be displayed.
Okay.
Okay, so access is no sir, again you give. Maybe you're giving
Okay.
again you try.
Okay.
Enter the password and click on enter. Yeah, it is connected with the remote server. So it is connected with the remote RDS. So from your EC2, you have connected with the relational database server, which is again an MySQL server which is created. Akhil, అర్థమైందమ్మా? ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం క్రియేట్ చేసామంటే ఒక సిస్టమ్ AWS లో ఒక సిస్టమ్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం, దాన్నే EC2 అంటాం. అఖిల్, హలో అఖిల్,
చెప్పండి సార్. చెప్పండి సార్.
ఫస్ట్ మనం ఒక EC2 అనే సిస్టమ్ ని క్రియేట్ చేసాం. ఓకేనా, దానికి SQL DB సర్వర్ అని పేరు పెట్టాం. ఓకేనా, ఆ తర్వాత RDS అనే సర్వీస్ యూజ్ చేసి MySQL సర్వర్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం. ఓకేనా, సో ఈ MySQL సర్వర్ ని ఈ మనం ఏదైతే సిస్టమ్ క్రియేట్ చేసామో దాంతో కనెక్ట్ చేసాం అన్నమాట. అర్థమైందా? హలో
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
మీరు MySQL సర్వర్ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేశారు, ఓకేనా? దాన్ని ఆర్డిఎస్ అన్నారు. సార్ మీరు అన్షేర్ చేయండి. సార్ మీరు అన్షేర్ చేయండి. నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను స్క్రీన్. సార్ మీరు అన్షేర్ చేయండి. సార్ మీరు అన్షేర్ చేయండి, నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను స్క్రీన్.
చేస్తున్నా. ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్, ఒక్క నిమిషం. స్టాప్ షేరింగ్. ఓకే.
ఓకే, సో మీ మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా, సో ఆల్ ద అదర్స్ ప్లీజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్. Let me once again explain you what we have done till now. So what we did, I think this Zoom should have a white board also, right? Yeah. Okay, my screen is visible to everyone, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So first we are we are using the AWS services, right? So what is AWS service? We can create any system, we can create any software online, right? So we can create any system or any software online. Say first we are using the AWS services. So AWS is service means, say you want to create a server system. Okay, that server system, Sohail, you are moving on my keyboard. So you are using AWS server
Sir.
service.
Sir.
Yeah, that
Sir,
service.
అయితే AWS సార్.
చెప్పండి.
సార్ AWS యూజ్ చేసి ఏ సిస్టమ్ అయినా సరే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయొచ్చు సార్.
మనం ఆన్లైన్ లో ఒక సిస్టమ్ తయారు చేయొచ్చు, ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ క్లౌడ్ తయారు చేయొచ్చు, ఒక నెట్వర్క్ తయారు చేయొచ్చు, ఓకే, సర్వర్స్ తయారు చేయొచ్చు, ఏదైనా తయారు చేసుకొని దాన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఓకేనా? సో
సిస్టమ్స్ అంటే ఇలా లినక్స్
ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ కానీ ఏ సిస్టమ్ అయినా మనం తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇనిషియల్లీ వాట్ వి డిడ్, we have did an EC2 system. Initially we created an EC2. What is this EC2? It's an elastic cloud compute service. Using this EC2 you can create a system. What is the name of it, sir? MySQL server or something you have given. What is the SQL DB server? You have given the name as SQL DB server. So he has created an EC2 system online, okay, and he named it as EC2 SQL DB server. Then what he did, from his local system, okay, he's having his own computer. In this he installed the putty. So using the putty, what he did, he connected with this EC2 system. He connected using the IP address, by giving the IP address, okay, and he connected with this EC2 system using the putty software. So where he loaded this putty software, in his own system, okay. Vijay sir's system, Vijay's system. So here Vijay's system, using the Vijay system, in this he installed the putty, using the putty by entering the IP address, he connected with the EC2 system, which there its name is SQL DB server. So what are the two things he has given at the particular time? Badri ఏమేంటి ఇచ్చారు? One is IP address. What is the other one? What is the other one, Badri? Security. The key file. Key file, right? Key file. So this using the key file and IP address, he connected with the EC2 system. So now he can, a terminal is opened, and whatever commands he give, it will be working on the EC2 system. So after that, what he did, he installed MySQL in the system. So what he did, after connecting, he installed the MySQL, correct? Installation of MySQL. So what are the commands he used? What are the commands for that? For installation of the MySQL? MySQL Chappali. So what are the commands? Please tell. Devashish sir, what are the commands he used for installation of MySQL? Devashish sir, Manoranjan sir, what are the commands he used for installation of MySQL?
Sir, system CTL.
No. It's a sudo apt-get install MySQL server. Right? So after installation of the MySQL, that is okay. That is, he made it ready. Then he has to establish a separate server for MySQL database, because this EC2 can be used for anything. But normally when we maintain a database server, we'll maintain it separately. So he created separate MySQL database. Okay, he maintained MySQL database. Huh? MySQL database. He created MySQL database engine. Okay. So where, using which service he used it? He created using the RDS, Relational Database Service. He created using the RDS, Relational Database Service, which is of AWS. Okay, so this RDS is the service using which he created a MySQL database. So to this MySQL database, he has a username, okay, password, and an endpoint, which is and like IP address, the address of the particular database. He has three main things. One is username, password, and endpoint. This database will be having these details using which anyone can connect, right? So in the last, what he did, from here he has a EC2 system and an RDS, right? So from this EC2 system, he connected with this RDS using what? So using the MySQL command, using MySQL client or MySQL -u admin -p -h and endpoint of RDS.
RDS.
Yeah, using this, he connected with this system. Okay, and he can work on the system after logging in with this MySQL command. So to implement this command, he should install the MySQL in the EC2, right? So after installation, using this command, he could connect with the MySQL database, which is in a MySQL server. Okay, So he created a database server, and from his from the EC2 system which is created, from it he connected with the MySQL server which is in the remote. Okay. So anyone is having any doubts? Anyone is having any doubts?
No, sir. Still no.
Okay, you can see my screen, right? Everyone is seeing my whiteboard screen, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, any doubts? Any doubts are there? Anything?
Uh,
Tell me.
సార్ అది వీడియో కొంచెం షేర్ చేస్తారా తర్వాత?
ఎవరు అడుగుతుంది?
నేను సార్ విజయ్ కుమార్.
చేస్తాను సార్.
అదే అంటే ఒకసారి ఆ కమాండ్స్ ఒకసారి ప్రివెంట్ చేసుకుంటే చాలు, ఇంకేం అక్కర్లేదు.
Okay, Debashish sir and Jitendra sir and Manoranjan sir and Badri and Suhail and Swaroop, is that everything was okay? Durga Prasad, is the explanation is okay for you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood
we'll-
very clearly.
Okay, we'll close this here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please practice, and tomorrow again we'll discuss the next concept. I'll share you the both the videos. Okay. Thank you. We'll
Thank
close
you,
it.
sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night.
ఓకే
Thank
సార్,
you.
గుడ్ నైట్.
Good night, sir.
Good night.